Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the dele celebration. So, we all know that he did the celebration against Newcastle on Spurs. Spurs' 2-1 victory, so let's get into it. So, here you go. So, the celebration has gone viral, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the celebration. So, if it helps, I'll do it slow motion first. Okay, so that's how you do it. So, what you do, you start with the OK sign, make it wide here, then you just flip it around like that, so the other way, and then put your 3 fingers here on your forehead, and then simply put your thumb at the top and this index finger here at the bottom. Then you've got it. You can do it with 2 hands as well. So yeah, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, please do like and of course subscribe. I'm out.